Hello, a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Shatika. I welcome you all back to our new YouTube video today. So today's YouTube video is about understanding the life history and contributions of Dr. Henry Clay Allen, which we all know as H.C. Allen. So if you will go back and scroll down to the previous videos that we have made, we are into a series of understanding the life history and contribution of eminent stalwarts in homeopathy, and taking the same series up ahead, now we are here understanding about life history and contributions of H.C. Allen. So let's get started with today's video. So to make the understanding of stalwart's life history simplistic and very simplified, we have divided the same into what is the birth date, what is the place, death, education, and what are the different books authored by the same. Now, what is the birth date of Dr. H.C. Allen? It is 10th February 1836. You are all advised to get these dates checked. Whatever dates I put up is already I've put it up from a very good resource, but it is always good to check it. So birth date क्या है H.C. Allen की? It is 10th February 1836. What is the birthplace? Village of Neilstown near London. And what is the death anniversary? 26 January 1909. So what was the educational qualification of H.C. Allen? Why we should whenever we are reading any books of any stalwarts, it is very important for us to understand कि वो ऑथर का या फिर जिसने बुक लिखा है उसका एजुकेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज द एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, किधर से सीखा है, एंड हु वर देयर टीचर्स, so that it helps us. So what was the education of H.C. Allen? H.C. Allen received his primary education in the common and grammar schools at London. In the same school he later taught for some time. Now, in the year 1861, he completed his medical education at the Western Homeopathic College at Cleveland, Ohio, and from the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada. Later, he entered Union Army and served as a surgeon under General Grant. So, he had completed his homeopathic education in 1861, and later he completed his education from College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada. What did he do next? He first started practicing medicine, and he was also offered the professorship of anatomy in Cleveland. So what were क्या सिखाते थे डॉक्टर H.C. Allen? He was a professor of anatomy. You might get this question as MCQ in AIA PGAT. So later on he accepted the same professorship of on anatomy in the Hahnemann Medical College of Chicago. So he was also teaching anatomy subject, the same subject, in Hahnemann College of Chicago. Now in the year 1880, he was appointed as the professor of materia medica at the University of Michigan. Now in the year 1892, he established the Herring Medical College and Hospital, of which he was the dean and professor of materia medica until his death. तो पहले उन्होंने anatomy सिखाया. Then most important establishment of Dr. H.C. Allen is he established the Herring Medical College and Hospital. He established it. He was the dean, and in that college he used to teach materia medica until his death. Now what are the different books authored by H.C. Allen? जो हम बुक्स पढ़ते हैं ना H.C. Allen के, तो ये इसका बैकग्राउंड है कि इन्होंने ये सब करके ये बुक लिखा है. Now keynotes of leading remedies. The second is the homeopathic therapeutics of intermittent fever. Third is the homeopathic therapeutics of fever. Fourth is the therapeutics of tuberculous affections. Fifth is Bonninghausen's slip repertory. Now what are the contributions? So अभी तक हमने क्या देखा? Education and books authored. Now next is contributions. What are the different contributions? मतलब क्या कि होम्योपैथी के फील्ड को क्या कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस दिया है अपार्ट फ्रॉम राइटिंग बुक. व्हाट ही डिड फॉर होम्योपैथी? Dr. Allen was an honorable senior of the American Institute of Homeopathy, a member of the International Hahnemannian Association, a member of the Illinois Homeopathic Medical Association. He was also a member of the Eaglewood Homeopathic Medical Society, a member of regular Homeopathic Medical Society of Chicago, honorary vice president of the Cooper Club of London and England. Next, honorary member of Michigan, New York, Pennsylvania, and Ohio State Medical Societies. Also, he was honorary member of the Homeopathic Society of Calcutta, India. He was owner and editor. He owned the book, the editorship of Medical Advance for many years, a treatise on the nosors, including years of studies, experience, and of proving and confirming the symptomatology of the nosors. His observations are here published for the first time. This is all that we need to understand about डॉक्टर H.C. Allen कि उन्होंने कॉलेज खोला है, उन्होंने डिफरेंट बुक्स लिखे हैं. ही वॉज द प्रोफेसर ऑफ एनाटॉमी एंड जो कॉलेज उन्होंने खोला उसमें ही वॉज टीचिंग मटीरिया मेडिका. सो ऑल दीज फ्यू पॉइंट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग so that any exam that you are preparing for goes well. So this was all about. If you find this video useful, and also you are expected to go through other, also you are expected to go through other life history and contributions. Similarly, I have uploaded of Dr. Kent, Boger, Boning Hussain, William Borick, Herring, Stuart Close, H.A. Robert, all the eminent stalwarts. If you have any request for any life history of any other stalwarts apart from the ones I've uploaded, your queries, questions, suggestions are always welcome. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To know more about me, you can also follow me on my Instagram by the name Dr. Shrutika Dawane, and you can also listen to my Spotify podcasts by the show name is Homeopathy Talks with Dr. Shrutika. Okay, so keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you and have a nice day.